Okay.
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
Okay. So, do you know how Baba? Do you know how I make a living? Do you know how I earn my money?
Mhm.
What do I do?
Make books.
That's right. I write books. I write books. Okay. So, I'm going to ask you a question. Okay. So this is my first book that I wrote. It's my doctoral dissertation. It has all this great stuff in here. My question is, would you like to read this book?
No.
No? Why not? No? Okay.
It looks boring.
Boring, huh? Okay, so we have friends, and her daddy writes books like this one. So, my question is, which book would you rather read? Would you rather read this one that Baba wrote? Or
That one.
this one? Which one?
That one.
This one? How about this one?
No.
This one?
Mhm.
So, you heard it here, everybody. I'm losing my children. Help me. Help me. Help me. Here. Help me illustrate my next book so that my children will love me. Okay? Okay, let's go by being two mimes getting out of a box. Okay? What kind of mimes?
Chipmunk mimes.
Chipmunk mimes. Okay. Chipmunk mimes getting out of a box. Ready? Go.